What's up, YouTube? For those of you that don't know, I am Shani, from New Orleans or whatever. I'm trying to start my own YouTube talk show, and I want to know what my viewers want to talk about. I'm going to start by shouting out a few people because I'm a huge fan of them, and I really hope one day they see my videos and like what I'm doing. So shout outs to Lil Wayne, T.I., Wiz Khalifa, Ludacris, Monica, Lloyd, Ashanti. Shout out to Messy Maya because I watch all his videos and I love them. Because when I book everybody. But anyways, I'm trying to see what's trending today. So since this is my first video, I'm just going to go to Twitter for this one. Excuse the Blackbird. Twitter doesn't have any interesting topics. So maybe I should start my own, huh? How about I love it when? So I want all my viewers to get at me and tell me what they love. It can be anything at all. It can be nice. It can be, explicit, whatever. Just get at me and let me know. Deuces, YouTube. Oh, shout out to Chris Brown, too. Whatever happened between him and Rihanna. Whatever. I'm still a Chris Brown fan. So, deuces. And for Wiz Khalifa, crushing orange juice. That's all.